On Tuesday, dancehall heavy hitter Skeng pleaded not guilty to disorderly conduct and resisting arrest when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Skeng is facing charges in relation to an alleged incident that occurred at the Norman Manor International Airport in May. The hitmaker is being represented by attorney Christopher Townsend. According to police reports, Skeng was involved in a confrontation with officials at the airport about 1:50 in the afternoon. During the incident, he was allegedly pepper sprayed. The entertainer was granted bail in his own surety and is set to return to court on September 8. Skeng is one of the most viewed artists in Jamaica on YouTube over the past 12 months. He is known for his hit single Protocol, which features Tommy Lee Sparta. The track was hailed by rapper Nicki Minaj as the baddest song in years, with over 30 million views on the platform. British singer-songwriter Ed Sheeran has teamed up with Ashana on a track dubbed Brace It. Fans have been anticipating the release of the new project. Now, in this post on Ed Sheeran's page, he announced to his fans that, quote, Ashana and myself made a tune after me being in love with her equal rights cover of Shape of You. I love her and loved working with her. Brace It comes out this Friday, and I hope you love it too, end quote. Now, back in 2021, in an interview, Ed Sheeran praised Ashana for her remix of his hit track Shape of You, while singing lines from the viral song. Ed Sheeran has recently earned a double crown in the UK for 2021 after being named the year's most played artist and securing the most played song. The singer-songwriter topped the PPL's most played chart following the release of his album Equal and the hit Bad Habits. Ed Sheeran is the first artist to earn both titles twice. He first accomplished the milestone in 2017 with the album Divide and the single Shape of You, which had massive success across the airwaves. Television star Bill Cosby was yesterday found liable of sexually assaulting a minor back in the 1970s. After just 3 full days of deliberations and 1 substitution, the Santa Monica panel yesterday revealed its decision against Bill Cosby. The verdict was handed to LA Superior Court Judge Craig Carlin, with plaintiff Judy Huth, her legal team, and Cosby's defense team in attendance in the packed courtroom. The 12-person jury awarded Huth $500,000 in damages. Jurors also found that Cosby intentionally caused harmful sexual contact with Huth, that he reasonably believed she was under 18, and that his conduct was driven by unnatural and abnormal sexual interest in a minor. Huth's lawsuit was one of the last remaining legal claims against him after his insurer settled many others against his will. The Hollywood Chamber of Commerce has announced its 2023 class of honorees for the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The list sees this year's honorees including Atlanta rapper turned actor Ludacris, legendary soul singer Charlie Wilson, and comedian Martin Lawrence. Late Hollywood actor Paul Walker will receive a posthumous star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame almost 9 years after his passing. The roster of talented entertainers is distributed over 4 categories: theater, television, motion picture, and recording. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.